Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2018 Jaguar F-Pace S all-wheel drive we have new in stock. This particular F-Pace is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle. I'm just going to walk you through some of the optional and standard features you get on this particular car. To begin with, you've got the Caesium blue metallic paintwork on the exterior, the optional 20-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. You've got the upgraded braking system as part of your S model inclusions. The S model also comes with the unique front bumper and unique rear bumper with a more aggressive look. Also some matte silver styling features around the car. You've got gloss black window surrounds and gloss black roof rails, LED tail lights and LED daytime running lights with Xenon Headlights. You have a full leather interior with your sports front seats. You can see the S badging on the headrests. You've got full electric functions for the driver and the passenger. You've got illuminated kick plates, also ambient lighting on the door cards. You've got the Meridian sound system as a standard inclusion. You've got your lever-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with access to your cruise control functions on the right-hand side, also some of your driver assists. On the centre console area, some of your piano black inlay trims. You've got your drive selector and some of your dynamic driving modes. You've got the optional configurable dynamics just below the drive selector. You've got your climate control functions further up and your keyless push to start button. And on your centre screen, you've got access to some of your infotainment features and in-car features such as DAB radio, your heated seats with options to choose between different variable amounts of heating for the driver and the passenger, the reversing camera function, and also the dynamic driving modes. A few other features you've got as optional inclusions include the smartphone package with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the power tailgate in the back, and also the rear seat USBs in the centre console area. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2018 Jaguar F-Pace S all-wheel drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.